Hi, my name is Athena from DreamForgeAcademy. I will be your guide for this course. Production readiness is a set of explicit responsibilities, not a hosting button. The contract prevents a learning demo from being sold as a commercial system. By the end of this lesson, you will create a production contract that separates real persistence and security from optional commercial integrations. Use this working model before touching implementation. Real data, identity, ownership, recovery, monitoring, and support are core production responsibilities. Payments and live bank feeds add vendor, compliance, and failure obligations. A Versal hobby learning deployment is not a commercial production launch under current terms. Define go or no-go evidence for every production capability. The detailed course material explains the vocabulary and shows how these ideas connect to the visible product result. Work through the lesson in a controlled sequence. Inventory dependencies, then map threats, then define core obligations, then classify extensions, then write go or no-go checks. Pause after each stage and inspect the result. This prevents a long agent run from hiding the first incorrect assumption or expanding into work that belongs to a later lesson. Claude Code leads the walkthrough, but the instruction is intentionally portable to Codex. Review this local MVP and produce a production readiness contract. Separate required data, auth, security, and operations work from optional payments and bank connections. Label the planned Versal hobby deployment non-commercial. Keep the acceptance checks visible, review the proposed scope before edits, and require a report of files, commands, assumptions, and deferrals. Verification is the learner responsibility. Confirm these observable results. The learning deployment is labeled correctly. Every external service has an owner and failure mode. Commercial extensions are separate. Go or no-go checks are observable. Also preserve this safety boundary. Do not process real financial or customer data until the production contract security and recovery gates pass. If one check fails, repair the smallest responsible layer and run the check again. Complete the assignment. Complete the production contract and explain why one exciting feature remains optional. Then personalize the safe creative layer. Choose which optional production extension best fits the learner business model. Keep the project ready for the next lesson. Thank you for watching. Follow along using the course material and complete the lesson assignment. I will see you in the next lesson.